Start by drawing a wide, horizontal rectangle. This will form the base of the chair where the person sits. For a simple easy chair, draw 4 short legs underneath the seat. You can make them straight and rectangular or slightly tapered, depending on the style. Above the seat, draw a taller rectangle or curved shape for the backrest. Make it wider than the seat to give the chair a relaxed, comfy feel. Draw vertical lines coming down from center of the tabletop. These will form the legs of the table. Start by drawing a horizontal oval shape. This represents the surface of the table. Start with a horizontal oval or slightly rounded rectangle shape for the base of the pot. Place it near the center of the tabletop. From the center of the pot, draw vertical lines for the stems of the flowers. They can be straight or slightly curved.